Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Translink card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in translink.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Translink website. Now if you don't already have a card, in order to register, then to purchase this card, click on the ticketing option at the top left corner and then click on Go Card. You will now be taken into the Go Card page, from which you will see the Buy a Go Card option. Click on this option and now you will be required to go through the steps in order to choose the appropriate card for you. Choose your age and click on the Continue button and then enter your billing information. This includes your first, your middle and your last name, followed by your address. You can enter your residential or postal address, and after entering all of your address details, enter your contact information by choosing your phone type and entering your phone number as well as email address. Finally, you can choose your secret question for your account security. After entering your secret answer as well, click on the Continue button and now you will be taken into your registration page, within which you will be able to set up your account password. After setting up your account password and continue forward, you will need to choose your subscription and verify your account information to confirm that all of your information is correct. Finally, make your payment after the confirmation has completed, using various different payment methods such as your credit, your debit card, or also your bank account and PayPal. After confirming your payment, you will receive an email within the address that you entered underneath your contact information. Within the email, you will get further information about when your card will be delivered to you. And after that, the only thing left to do is wait. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a Go card for your Translink account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.